Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Too loud. And today I've got something, I mentioned yesterday it was going to be another one that I found up at Lansdowne Centre up in Richmond, British Columbia, Canada. This is Otaste. And it's a spicy tteokbokki. Now, this brand is very interesting because it took a lot of research to figure it out. But I'll show you something that I didn't know until I scanned it and I really looked close. Check that out. That is a Nongshim logo right there. But it's like a company of Nongshim. It's Taiyang something. I can't remember how to pronounce the whole deal, but yeah. So that's pretty cool. Something different. Anyways, these you cook kind of crazy, so I will walk you through it. Thanks to the guy on Facebook for helping me with translating and figuring it out. So, you cook these noodles for 1.5 minutes. I don't know what these noodles are made out of. They kind of look like, I'm guessing maybe they're a rice noodle. But I could be mistaken. It's like I need to learn all the languages that are written and spoken in Asia. I swear, I need to learn Mandarin, and Korean, and Japanese, and Vietnamese, and Malay would be nice. Maybe a little Filipino. Yeah. But anyways, what's kind of neat is, I don't know if you can see right here, but back in here, let me, here, I'll just put it up on it. Check this out. Oh, Mimi, why are you pushing light buttons? But yeah, this is my Nongshim hoodie, and when I went to when I visited them in 2012, they gave me a ton of stuff. Like, they sent this box that was like huge. And hey, you little stinker, turn the light back on. But anyways, they sent all this stuff, and they sent a bunch of clothes. I mean, they sent what did they have? Like chairs, like camping chairs. And it was like, all internal stuff that, you'd never be able to get like at a store or something or order from them. But they were like, they knew how into like instant noodle stuff I was. So they're like, hey, here you go. But if you see pictures of me from back then, yeah, it's desiccant. Here's the tteokbokki, by the way. If you see pictures of me from back then, you'll understand why today is the first time I'm wearing it. Because it did not fit. And this is a 3X, so. But yeah, it fits now. So that's kind of exciting. What are you doing out there, you little nut? Are you causing havoc? Okay, cook. I think the sauce goes in now too. Which means I need the scissors that are over here. So here we go with said sauce. And yeah, so that's cool, but the logo on this hoodie is a logo that they used for a very, very short period of time. It's like they wanted to change their logo, and I think, I don't know, maybe it confused people or something, but They did not stick with it, that's for sure. This is like super soupy. How much time is left? Really? Huh. Yeah, I don't know. That's like violently soupy. I'm gonna give it a couple seconds more. Oh, actually, no, I'm not, because it's gonna burn. So, we'll try it as it's supposed to be done. I'm guessing I did it right. I'm hoping I did it right. Let go, Tteokbokki. Oh yeah, there we go. That looks okay. I almost feel like I should be doing a mukbang of this. Maybe I will. I don't know how bad the calories are on this. I'll have to look that up. You turned my light off. Oh. So they messed with the light so much that the bulb is like jacked up, so it gets angry. Tteokbokki. If you're not familiar with tteokbokki, basically they're like little things made out of rice flour. Right now they're violently hot. Oh man. They have a nice sweet, the sauce is where it's at. This is like, the noodles are like the noodles that you find in japchae, which is a different Korean dish that has vegetables usually and stuff. But they're like these clear, glassy noodles. I don't know if it's like mung bean thread or what. It might be. They're like glass noodles. It's funny. One of my YouTube people was talking about glass noodles the other day and asking if konjac was like that. Oh man. This is good. Wow. Yeah. Yep. A flavor I savor, ladies and gentlemen. I absolutely love tteokbokki. My wife does too, even though she doesn't like hot and spicy. But she likes it if I put it with cheese. She likes cheese. Yeah. Okay, work with me. This is good stuff. Egg. Oh, Mimi's mad. Say hi, Mimi. Ow! This is a hot and spicy variety. It's not so hot and spicy, it's mind-numbing. Some of that. Some pepper flake. And last but not least, got to grab that. A little bit. Oh yeah. Hey, there we go. It's funny, the light just like decides to kick back in. She's gonna come over and turn it off. I know it. Better not. Alright. Rotato, do your stuff to this beauty. Wow. Yeah. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans, and this is
Ice.
Say hi, I'm Mimi.
Mimi.
Have a good one.
Bye.